Hello internet friends. In this video we are continuing to work on the left wing. So what we have here is the left wing spar, and what have we done here? We are attaching nut plates. So before we attach the nut plates, we need to countersink all of the nut plate holes. Jeff came back over to help countersink here, which is a good task for a new person. Actually, countersinking the number 40 holes. So there are actually two things you need to countersink on the wing spar. Countersinking the number 40 holes, not bad. Countersinking the number 30 holes, well, that's a future video, but that takes a lot of patience because it's easy to make those horrible. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say about that. But countersinking number 40s, especially with the micro stops, it's pretty hard to mess that up. I'm a couple weeks behind on videos, but that's okay. I haven't done anything. I've been traveling and working, and there's been football, so much football that has taken up my weekends. Luckily, the championship game, go UNLV, beat Boise State, is in Boise this weekend. Tiffany has to actually be there for work, so I'm going to go join her when she's done with work, and we're going to go to the championship game. It's forecast to be 46 degrees. I have a heated jacket, which last year we went to the championship and I wore this jacket, and it was the coldest I had ever been in my life. And there were people from Idaho there without shirts on. So I guess that says more about me than them. Or maybe that's the opposite. But my plan this time is to wear one more layer, take an extra battery. Yeah, I hope that's gonna do it. Last year it was 26 degrees. This year it's 46 degrees, I think, is the forecast. So hopefully that means it's twice as warm. I'm not sure that's how the math works for that. For temperature. Let's see, what else am I working on? Finishing up the LSRM class from Joby. I think we have one more session tomorrow that's our online meetup, and then in 2 weeks there's the practical session where we go up to the Bay Area. I guess it's not the Bay Area, it's Santa Cruz area, and do a week of practical work, and then I guess sign some forms, and then I'll be a certified FAA light sport repairman. Almost like I know what I'm doing. Certified that I know what I'm doing. It's a or is it like a PPL? It's like, this is a license to learn. I suspect it'll be more of that, but I could charge to learn. That's terrifying. Okay, so anyway, if you are also working on your plane or light sport certification, come join us in the Slack group. Just scan the QR code and I'll see you there, and see you in the next video.